Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing well today. I want to thank you for coming to the show. I've got a Thanksgiving episode for you today. We're gonna make, it's kind of like a centerpiece, but not really because you can use it for different things. So I'm just calling it a Thanksgiving or fall craft. So you are gonna need a few supplies. I got mine from the Dollar Tree mostly, and I'm gonna list those next so you'll see what all you need. But I think it's gonna be pretty fun and hopefully it'll turn out cute. So let's do this. Okay, so the first part of this project is you're gonna take your stovetop burner cover lid thing, whatever this is. It doesn't matter what's on the back, or actually this is the front, because we're only gonna use this part of it. So it's just white and I wanna, bling that out, of course. So I've got my Mod Podge and some orange glitter. So I'm just gonna go around the edge. All right, so this is it. It's not perfect, but it'll work for right now. And then once it's like completely dry, I'll go back and touch it up. So we're just gonna let it sit for a while. Okay, so this is basically dry and ready to go. So I'm still being very careful with it. But the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start to decorate it. I have this, I don't know what it is. It's a planter or a candle holder. I got it from the Dollar Tree. It was clear. I painted it with Mod Podge and then went over it with green glitter. So this is what it looks like. Some of you might recognize this because I used this same one. Well, another one, but the same, you know what I mean. And I made a Christmas centerpiece. So I had another one, so I'm gonna use that. Then, so once you have that decorated, or you can just leave it clear, I have this candle from the Dollar Tree. It's one of those battery operated deals. So I'm just gonna pop that in there. It's a little big, but I don't really care. I think it's fine. Then, just to add a little something, I have these glitter balls. It says it's vase filler. So I'm just gonna put some of those in here. Okay, great. How festive. All right, so at this point, we've got this ready to go. I'm gonna hot glue it. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna use Gorilla Glue. And I'm going to glue this down onto the pan or whatever this thing is. Okay, that's good. So I have the glue gun ready, and I have these maple leaves, and we're just gonna start gluing some of them down. Okay, now I'm just gonna kind of scatter the rest in here, you know, however, who cares? I just want it to cover the white. Okay, so that's what we have so far. So I have a candlestick, and I'm just gonna glue it to that. And so I'm gonna use this Gorilla Glue once more. I went ahead and put our makeshift tray on the candlestick, and I let it dry for a little bit, and then I added some more of these glitter balls. I had also some green and orange, so I added those in with the brown and gold. So anyway, now that that part's done, let's do the fun stuff and decorate. So I have these big pine cones that I found outside. So I'm just gonna put one here, maybe another one over here, and then I have this big boy, and I'm gonna put him back here. Then I have these little baby ones that I got in like a little potpourri thing from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna put these dudes right here. Okay, cool. And now I'm just gonna add some more of those little glitter balls here. I think that looks pretty cute, you know, very festive, very fall-like. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a shelf, and then I'll show you what the whole thing looks like all together, okay? So thank you guys so much. I'm so happy that you came to today's show, and I hope that you had fun, and I hope you learned something. All right, go on out there. and whoop that ass today.